A leave tracker is a tool which helps you track every type of leaves and absences. With Leave Tracker, you can easily track employees' vacations, paid leaves, unpaid leaves, sick leaves, or even no-shows or half days. In today's video, we will see how we can create a dynamic monthly and annual leave tracker in Excel, which will track every type of leave on daily, monthly, and yearly basis. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the tracker which I have already created in advance. Let's see how it works. On the top, we have got year and month, and both the things will be managed through drop downs. On top of this, we have got the option of select week offs. From here, we can select your week off. In case you have got only one week off, just select none, and in second, select your desired week off, and that specific week off will be highlighted. In case your week off is on Monday, just select Monday, and only Mondays will be highlighted. All the dates and days are dynamic, means fully automated or fully formulated. When we will change the month, all the things will change automatically. In fact, the holidays will change. On extreme right hand side, we have got the monthly summary of all the leaves, including holidays and week offs. I'll come to left hand side. Over here we have got the option of months, means from here we can jump from one month to another. Currently we are in the month of January. I had selected February to show you. I'll do it January. When we will click on February, we are in the month of February. In the same way, we can jump from one month to another very easily, just in a single click. In the end, we have got annual summary or annual leave summary. From here, we can track the annual leave of all the employees. Let's start creating a new format now. This is the blank format where we are going to create our tracker. I have kept only two sheets, one of January and one is setting sheet. We will need this data to create our format. In setting sheet, we will need holiday list along with dates and holidays name, employee details like employee ID, name and designation. In case you want to add anything more in employee details, you can. After that, we have got all the leaves, means name of all the leaves along with codes. And below that, we have got months from January to December, year from 2024 to 2030. You can reduce the number or increase the number as per your requirement and choice. Days from Monday to Sunday, but on top of Monday we have got none. Let's come to our blank format. Now we will create our leave tracker. I'll click over here and we'll type select week offs. For week offs, we will create drop down. I'll select both. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll click over here. We'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select days from none to Sunday. We'll click over here once again and we'll do OK. I'll leave it selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight sales rules, and from here I'll go to text that contains and we'll type none. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill, and from here I'll select light gray color, font as black, and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever we will select none, it will be highlighted in gray, and whenever we will select any day, it will not be highlighted. I'll select Saturday and Sunday. Now we will create drop down for year and month. I'll click over here. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll click over here and we'll go to setting sheet and we'll select years from 2024 till 2030. We'll click over here once again and we'll do OK. So the drop down for year got created. Now I'll click next to the year. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll click over here and we'll go to setting sheet and we'll select months from January to December. We'll click over here once again and we'll do OK. So the drop down for months got created. I'll select February. This will be serial number, employee ID or employee code, employee name, designation. Now I'll click over here and we'll type 1 and we'll drag it down. We'll click on the plus sign and we'll select fill series. So we got our serial number from 1 to 20. Employee ID plus or equal to, we will go to setting sheet and we'll click on first employee ID and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Employee name. Over here I'll use the formula of VLOOKUP. In case you want, you can use XLOOKUP too. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Employee ID will be our lookup value. We'll press function F4 3 times, comma, table array or data. We will go to our setting sheet and we have got our employee details over here. We will select from employee ID till designation, but we are not going to select a specific range. We will select from top. The basic reason behind selecting the data from top, in case your list increases in future, you will not have to change the range again and again. Now we will press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma. Here we want name, so we will have to provide column index number. Employee ID is in column number 1, employee name is in column number 2, so we will type 2 over here, comma 0, we will close the bracket and we will hit enter. Before dragging the formula, we will go to the formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this to designation also. In designation we can see employee name. So we will have to go to formula bar and we'll have to change the column index number. Employee name is in column number 2 and designation is in 3. So we will delete 2 from here and we'll put 3 and we'll hit enter. So we got the designation of Albert. Now we will select both and we'll drag it down. Over here we will insert the formula for date. The formula for first date will be totally different from rest of the dates. And the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select month and we will select year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got an error over here because the cell size is too small. We will click on the first date, we'll right click the mouse, we'll go to format cells, we'll take this up, we'll go to custom, we'll remove general and we'll type DD, means D 2 times, and we'll do OK. So we got 01 over here. Now I'll click over here and we'll insert the formula for second date, and the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, first date is smaller than EO month, means end of the month, bracket open. We will select first date once again. We'll press function F4, comma 0, bracket close, comma, we will select first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket. Before hitting enter, we will come in the very beginning of our formula bar and we'll insert dollar between H and 6. Now we will hit enter. So we got our second date over here. Now we will insert the formula for days, plus or equal to text, bracket open, we'll select our first date, comma, double inverted comma DDD, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We will drag this to second date. Now we will select our second date and day and we'll drag till end. So we can see 29 days over here. When the month will change, January, days till 31st are visible or dates till 31st are visible. Now we will select from 1st till 31st and from top to bottom. We'll go to home, conditional formatting. From here we will go to new rule. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select classic. Just one thing to mention, I'm using MacBook, so the option of classic is visible over here. In case you are using Windows, this option will not be visible. So nothing to worry about that. I'll click over here and we'll click in this drop down. So window users will directly get the option of use a formula to determine which cells to format. So click over here and just click below that and use the formula. I'll take this to right and the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll select first day of the month, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to, over here we will highlight our week offs. So our week offs will be managed from here. So we will click the first cell, means this one. We'll take this in bracket, we'll come to the end, plus bracket open, we'll select our first day once again, we'll remove first dollar, is equal to, we will select second week off. We'll close the bracket, we'll click on the drop down, customized format, we'll go to fill, we will click on the drop down and we'll select red color. Font will be white and we will do OK. OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. If the week off will be only Sunday, we will do none from here and only Sundays will be highlighted. In case we will select both as none, none of the days will be highlighted. If you will select Friday, only Fridays will be highlighted. So as of now, I'll keep as Saturday and Sunday. Now we will click just above our first date and will insert the formula for holidays. Let's do one thing. Increase the size of the cell little bit more to adjust the holiday's name. We'll take this closer. Over here also we will use the formula for VLOOKUP. In case you want, you can use XLOOKUP too. If you want to learn more about VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, I have got a dedicated video on my channel. I'll provide the link in description box. So our formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. First date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. For table array, we will go to our setting sheet and our table array is this, means dates and holidays name. So we will select this from top, we'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, column index number. Dates are in column number 1 and holidays name are in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got our first holiday over here. We will select this and we'll change the font color. We'll go to home and from here we will change the alignment. Rotate text up. We'll also wrap the text. Before dragging the formula, we will insert the criteria of if error. We'll go to formula bar, if error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we can drag this over here. So name of the holidays got visible against the dates. Now we will select this and we'll select till bottom. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule, classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. We'll take this to right and our formula will be plus or equal to, we will click on the first holiday, we'll remove the first dollar from here, not equal to, for not equal to we will put smaller than, greater than, not equal to blank, for blank we will put double inverted comma twice. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill, from here we will select a desired color, font color as white and we'll do OK. OK. So all the holidays got highlighted. When the month will change, highlights of week offs and holidays will change automatically. I'll keep it January. You will notice one thing, after 29th it's blank. So let's highlight this in red. We'll select this and we'll select till bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format. We'll take this to right, plus or equal to, we'll click on the first date, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to blank, for blank we will put double inverted comma twice. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill, from here we will select red color, font color as red. OK. OK. So after the month end, it will be highlighted in red. So this part is almost done. The only pending thing is over here is drop down for our leaves. We will create it later. We'll come to right hand side. This will be total leaves. Over here we will insert the name of our holidays and their codes. The name of our holidays are in settings. So we will connect our setting sheet with format. We'll click next to total leaves, plus or equal to, we will go to our setting sheet and we'll click on casual leave. We'll hit enter. We will drag this down. Now we will select both, Ctrl C or Command C. We will select this. We'll right click the mouse, paste special, formulas. So all our leaves and leave codes got connected with our setting sheet. If anything will change over here, it will automatically feature in our format. We will come to left and we'll create drop down for our leave codes. We'll select this from first employee till last employee and from first date till 31st date. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will click over here, we'll go to right side and we'll select all the leave codes. We'll click over here once again and we'll do OK. We'll come to left, we'll leave it selected, we'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type CL. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill. From here we will select a desired color, font color as black, and we will do OK. OK. So CL got highlighted. We will select CL and we can see the color over here. We'll highlight one more code. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and I'll type PL. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color, font as black, and we'll do OK. OK. So our PL also got highlighted. In the same way you can highlight all your leaf codes. We'll come to right hand side. Now we will insert the formula for our leaves, or we will insert the formula to count all our leaves. Plus or equal to count if, bracket open, we will come to the left, we will click just under first day and we'll select till 31st. We'll press function F4 3 times, comma, we will click on the code of casual leave. We'll press function F4 2 times, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will drag this down, we'll come to right hand side and we'll drag till our last leave code. For holidays and week offs, we will count it automatically. So this formula is not going to work over here. We will delete this. Total leaves, the formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We will select from first leave till the last leave. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. It's showing 1 because we have done some entry over here of PL. If I'll remove this, it will show 0. Formula for holidays will be plus or equal to count A, bracket open. We will come to the left. We'll select all our holidays from 1st till 31st. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be locked. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got the figure as 31. We will go to our formula bar, minus count blank, bracket open. We'll come over here in the left side and we'll select all our holidays from 1st till 31st. We'll press function F4. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got 2 holidays over here. We'll drag this down. Week offs, formula for week offs will be plus or equal to count if, bracket open. We'll come to left hand side. We'll select our range and our range is from first date till 31st. But we are going to select the days and not the dates. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be locked, comma. We will come to the left and we'll click over here because we are going to manage our week offs from here. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be locked. We'll close the bracket. We'll copy our formula, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click in the end, plus we will paste our formula over here. Now we will click on the cell reference. We'll delete this. We'll come to the left hand side and we'll click on Sunday, means second week off. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be locked. Now we will hit enter and we got 8 week offs. We will drag this down. We'll come to the left. We are able to see 8 week offs. If I'll change it, I'll do it as none, means only Sundays will be week offs. Let's see what result we are going to get. We got 4 week offs. Now we will select this. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type 0 or we will insert 0. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, font color as white, and we will do OK. OK. So whenever it will be 0, nothing will be visible, only numbers will be visible. We'll come to total leaves. It's showing 6. It's counting holidays as well as week offs. And we don't want to count our holidays and week offs in total leaves. So we will go to formula bar, minus holidays, minus week offs, and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. I'll come to left hand side. We'll change the month and we'll do it January. So format for 1 month is ready. We will come down. Over here we have got the sheet's name. We will press Alt. We'll click on sheet's name and we'll drag this to plus sign. We'll keep Alt selected and we'll create 13 sheets, 12 for months and 1 for annual. No need to do copy paste by inserting new sheets. Perfect. This is done. We will come to left hand side. This is January. This will be February, March, and we will rename till December. And this will be annual. We'll come to the month of February and we'll change month from top. February, March, and in the same way we will do the changes till December. All the changes are done. Now we will come to our annual sheet. We'll come to right hand side. Over here, dates are not required. We will select this and we'll delete it. We'll delete all our formulas. We'll come to left. We'll select this and we'll delete it. We'll go to home and we'll unmerge it. We'll remove the color, no fill, and we'll remove the borders also. Now we will click over here and we'll select till serial number. We'll merge it. We can see some drop down over here. We'll go to data validation. We will click on yes and we'll clear the rule, clear all. Okay. Now we will type annual leave tracker over here. We will change the font color by going in home and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We will click just under total leaves, plus or equal to. We'll go to the month of January. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click just under total leaves, plus we'll go to February. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click under total leaves. In the same way we will connect the sheet till December. And we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down and we'll drag till leave without pay, means last leave. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to 0. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, font color as white, and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be 0, it will not be visible, only the numbers will be visible. Now we will come to January sheet. Over here we will insert the buttons. I'll click over here and we'll type months. We'll hit enter. We'll go to insert, illustrations. From here I'll take a shape. We'll click over here and our shape got inserted. We'll go to insert once again. We'll double click in our shape. We'll go to symbols and over here we get the option of symbol. I'll click over here. Over here I'll type down and I'll take this icon or emoji. We'll double click over here. Now I'll close this. We'll go to home and we'll increase the size of our emoticon or emoji. We'll go to shape format, shape fill. We will do as no fill, outline color as no outline. We'll take this up. We'll go to insert once again, illustrations, shapes, and we'll select a desired shape. We'll come down and we'll select this shape and we'll click over here. We'll resize the shape. We'll take this up. We'll go to shape format and we'll change the color red. We'll go over here and we'll change the shape effect bevel. We'll select this. We'll type January. We'll go to home. We'll take this in mid. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. Now I'll click on the shape. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag it down. We'll keep on pressing Ctrl and we'll create 13 shapes, 12 for month and 1 for annual. I am just inserting the shapes. I am not doing the counting. In case it will be extra, we can delete it later. Now we will rename this. This will be February, March, and in the same way we will rename till December. So all the buttons got renamed. We will click on the second button, February. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. Over here we get 3 options: web page or file, this document, and email address. We have to click on this document. In the box over here, we can see all the sheets name from setting till annual. We will come on top. So we are going to connect the February sheet now. So we will select February from here and we'll do OK. We'll click on March, right click the mouse, hyperlink, select March and do OK. In the same way we will connect till December. We will insert one more button for annual. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag this down. So one more shape got inserted. This will be annual. We'll click on the shape, we'll right click the mouse, hyperlink, we'll click over here and we'll go down and we'll select annual and we'll do OK. So annual also got connected. All the buttons got connected except January. We are in the month of January, so we can't connect this button over here. We will press Ctrl and we'll select all the buttons. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Ctrl plus Command. Copy. We'll come to February and we'll paste over here. Now we will click outside. We'll click on January, right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll select January from here and we'll do OK. So all the buttons got connected now. We will go to January. We'll click over here. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C, and we'll paste in all the months. We'll go to January once again. We'll select this icon, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll come to February and we'll paste over here. Now we will select all the buttons by pressing Ctrl and we'll take it down. We'll adjust this icon. We'll resize this. Now we will select all the buttons including palm icon. We'll copy this. We'll come to March and we'll paste over here. We'll adjust this. We'll go to April. We'll paste and we'll adjust. In the same way, we will paste the data till December. We are in annual sheet. We will click on annual button and we'll change the color of the shape. We'll go to December. We'll change color of December button, and in the same way we will change color for all the months. So all the buttons got connected and recolored. Now we can jump from one month to another very easily. So our format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.